So here we are, beautiful snowy day in Colorado. We got to get chase cover over 2-story building using a harness. All right, Beau's going to give it a try here with a swing and a toss. Ooh, nice. Okay, it went over, and then it's right in here. I can see the string, the orange string. So it didn't make it down to the ground where we need to be to tie to the porch.
Made it.
Oh.
I see it on the other side.
Because you felt the string pull.
I see it on the other side through there.
Oh, he sees it through the window. Nice work. We've made it up on the roof. Chase cover. And there's our chase. We got to move the TV antenna dish down a little bit.